function, semi-auto lifted trolley is a mechanism that allows people to transfer their heavy items such as trolley, computers, files, etc. to other places. Then second, the function is portable for easy for storage, adjustable for various usage, and easy to operate. Then thirdly is a help to reduce pain in waist, back, hand, and feet. Means when we use properly, the trolley can pack people to having back injury. Then for background study, first the semi-auto lifted trolley is controlled and automatic system powered by battery 12 volt. That use a battery car powered by 12 volt, and this trolley can hold a maximum weight 50 kg and portable size. For problem statement, firstly, heavy goods need to be placed on trolley manual by hand. Second, the movement of human unloading and unloading the goods have become a health problem. Third, more energy needed to transfer heavy goods. Multiple times, push the trolley to another area and unload the goods. And fourth, most of the trolley are viable and not foldable and not multifunctional. Okay, for objective for our project is first I have two objectives, which is first to design a semi-auto lifting trolley that can lift goods for loading and unloading purpose. And second, to create a lifting trolley that is eco-friendly and minimize energy usage in human and lifting goods. For the scope, we have our group have defined three scopes. Mean to design and fabricate a motor control lifting and trolley that can lift goods to a maximum height of 1 meter. Second, to design a trolley capable to lift up to 50 kilograms of weight. And third, to fabricate trolley specified for small store and grocery store storage. And I will pass to my next presenter.
Good morning. My name is Muhammad Zul Hafizul Daud. I am the second presenter of this group, and I will present about literature review of this project. The concept of the trolley basically to facilitate user for loading item, and there are many types of trolley in market such as baggage trolley, hospital trolley, market trolley, and another type of trolley. And this trolley will have primarily user on loading and unloading goods to prevent health problems such as waist, back pain. Then this is cause need to user get to transport heavy good in multiple times. That means when we use this trolley, we can unload and loading good in multiple times. So next is the cost. We just push the trolley to another area and unload the goods. Lastly, however, a number of innovations that have been made to trolley starting from design, fabrication, and simulation. Next, I will pass to my friend to continue this presentation.
My name is Muhammad Kamini. I will present about methodology. Okay. First we present about flowchart. Okay. First we start with review, designing. Then we continue with preparation of material. Then we go to fabrication or improvement. Then we testing and evaluation. If complete or need, we go to the preparation and then presentation, which is this week. And if testing and evaluation fail or no, we go through verification and improvement. And next is Gantt chart of our group. You can see the contribution of our group member, which is now is with the team and final presentation and submission, which shows we are on schedule. Okay, next is design concept. Okay, first is multi-purpose trolley. This is a drawing, front view, Left is side view, top view, lastly is 3D view. Okay, the advantage of this slide is easier to carry a few things and heavy material on the same time. Minimum required manpower and not expensive and easy to buy, and easy and fast learning on working method of this trolley. However, this trolley also has disadvantage, which is less safety precaution because not close to the medical system, and use more battery power to generate the two motor. The next is portable lifter trolley. You can see the drawing. The advantage of this portable lifter trolley is easy to operate, can carry many type of equipment, and is portable trolley. Okay, the advantage is too large and need more space of area to store it. The next one is specific electric lifter. The advantage of this lifter is high maneuver and lightweight, easy to use up and down switching, industrial risk for durability, and ergonomically curved handles to offer extra support. And the advantage is the remote fall off easily when filled with large quantity and small item cannot be filled. Okay, next is lifter trolley. Advantage of this lifter trolley is the platform can move up and down, easy to put stuff, very suitable for use in place, reduce the risk of injury and ability to lift load up to 15 kg. Disadvantage is high cost to develop, danger for age below 12, and the trolley is very difficult to move on not flat place. Next is easy lifter trolley. Advantage and the advantage easy to operate, reduce the burden to carry heavy goods. The advantage is size of easy lifter trolley is large, can be stored in large space area. Next. Okay, the smart road lifter. Advantage easy to control, and the handle is ergonomic and easily to remove and charge the battery. Advantage is heavy, awake, and not stable when the head is extended. Okay, this is our concept generation and operation. We do the comparison of 6 trolley, and we choose ranking 1 to 5, which is 1 is higher ranking, and we choose first trolley, lifter trolley, and easy lifter trolley, and we do our project based on this company. So this one.
Thank you for to my friend. My name is Hafizi bin Hamzah. My matric number MA10138. I want to present about the improvised design. Okay, this semi-auto lifter trolley concept design. The dimension of the trolley, height of the trolley is 44.78, and this is weight is 9.11. Okay, the advantage of the concept design: ability to carry heavy goods and move to a different area. Require minimum manpower uses to use this trolley. Convenient to use as it is the burden to lift the heavy goods to higher height. Easy and fast operating procedure of the trolley. Disadvantage: less safety precaution because not close on mechanical system. For the tool and machinery used in fabrication, we use the joining welding machine. Joining involved in assembly stage commonly use method to join metal part is metal inert gas or MIG welding. Next, cutting process. Cutting process, we use the cutting machine. Cutting machine is a process to cut the material such as hollow bar, angle bar, and steel plate. Usually, the material in the market, such as hollow bar, is coming with the own measurement. So, the cutting process is provided to cut the material in the size that needs before joining process. The machine that uses this process is metal cutting machine. And that's the drilling process. Drilling is easily the most common machining process. Drilling involves the creation of hole that right circular cylinder. This is accomplished most typically by using a twist drill. The machine used in this process is manual drill press. Grading process. Grading is a finishing process used to improve surface finish, break hard material, and tighten the tolerance on flat and cylindrical surface by removing a small amount of material. Lift track. For the first step is to cut the U-channel bar with the dimension that need. The U-channel bar need to cut for the right and left side of the trolley body. Then hollow square is being cut with same dimension with U-channel. Then the U-channel then is weld to the hollow square. Next process is join the part to the left and right side of trolley body. For the platform of the trolley, the material that used to make the platform is angle bar, plate bar, hollow round, and hollow square. The material is cut with the right dimension. The first step to make the base platform is weld the plate bar to angle bar to make square shape. Then the hollow round is weld at the end of the square shape. Two plate bar is weld to base to support the platform. And then motor holder. Motor holder function is to hold the motor at the right position of trolley. The plate bar is used to make the motor holder. The plate is drilled to make a screw hole that tight the motor. Gear and shaft. The gear is weld at the shaft and it functions to rotate the shaft when motor is running. Then the bearing is weld to shaft bracket to make the shaft rotate smoothly. Okay, the pulley. The pulley is held between two plate bar and tied with bolt and nut. The plate is weld at the top of trolley. Then steel cable is used to connect the shaft with platform. The cable function is to lift the platform when motor is running. Okay, final product. The front view of the lifter trolley and the side view of trolley. Okay, and then my friend will continue.
So first we calculated the force whereby the weight and weight times gravity. So we get the force is 152.1 Newton. Then we calculate the force times distance to calculate the work. So the work is important together with the force. So the work we get is 1.5 Newton meter. So from the work and force we calculated, we provide the power which is work over time, where we get 15.21 watt, the required power for the system, which is for the weight of 15.5 kg. The next is to determine the weight of 50 watt motor. So from the previous calculation, we have calculated the amount, based on the weight, we have calculated the required power for the motor. So we have selected a 50 watt motor. From the 50 watt motor, we want to calculate and show how much is the capability of the 50 watt motor to carry the load. So first we estimate the load is 50 kg. So the weight of the lift plate is as previously discussed is 0.5 and total weight is 50.5 kg. So the same way we calculated the force, we get 495.4 Newton, and work we get 495.4 Newton meter. So the power required based on the weight of 50 kg is work over time. So we divide, we get 49.54 watt. So this is the maximum weight, which is 50.5 kg is the maximum weight that a 50 watt motor capable to carry. So the second calculation we show is the tension in the cable to lift the weight load towards the 1 meter height. So this is the free body diagram of our project. So the object is lifted with the constant velocity as the speed is constant, is carried out in a constant weight. So there's no acceleration in the system movement. So thereby it is a constant velocity. So we calculate the net force. The formula for that is net force tension minus gravity force. So the F net and equals to F tension minus F gravity. The force of gravity and force of tension is minus. So in this calculation we don't have any acceleration. So whereby the F net is becomes 0. Thereby 15.5 times 0 is 0. Then the tension force is the one we are calculating, and gravity force is 15.5 times the gravity constant, which is 9.81. The total tension force is 152.06 Newton. So this is the material that we have used in our project. Based on the previously discussed, is the square bar, circular bar, power wiper motor, tire, square roller, battery, and we have used as a 12 volt battery and motor chain in our system. So this is the suppliers list that we have searched and obtained buying in terms of buying the parts. So another major part is the gear of the motor, where we use the same size of the gear. Then screw, steel plate for the platform, and angle bar, U-bar, circular bar, and bearing for the other part of the system as well, which we will show in a demo. The next part my friend will follow.
Very good day to Dr. Kumaran. My name is Govindanaya. My meeting number is MK10071. Now I will explain about the system analysis. So normally the system analysis is we do on the design after we create the design in SolidWorks. Then we apply the SolidWorks design into the simulation analysis software. That is Autodesk simulation software. So we do the analysis before we fabricate, because we want to get the result from this analysis simulation. So for our design, we apply the 15 kg, maximum 15 kg on the platform. So we convert to the force, it becomes 147 Newton. So we apply the force on the platform and in the simulation software. So we get the result for displacement is here, where the higher this result shows higher displacement in top of the design and on the platform. This one because the higher displacement shows the red color in the top of the trolley and the front area of the platform that I mentioned before. This is because maybe the structure member or the design is no support in the side of the bar, and for the area of the platform, maybe the thickness of platform is very small, and we need to modify this result according to this result. That is, add one more steel bar between the two bars on the right and left bar. For the thickness, we need to enlarge the strength to release the load force that applying on the platform. So this one is the stress. According to this result, I think it's no problem to our design, and we just proceed to the fabrication. But just a little modification we need to do. That is, according to this result analysis, the modification is not necessary for this design for the stress strength. For the further procedure, the modification will apply on the fabrication of the trolley. From this simulation analysis of this design, on our design trolley, it's easy to fabricate or the model of this design with easily. So the displacement and the stress analysis guide us to modify the design according to this result. So until this year my part, now I will pass to my members. That is
Okay, I will continue my friend presentation on conclusion. And the conclusion is the semi-auto lifter trolley is a best solution for mini-store worker and normal people to make their work more to easy way. Next is when the fabrication process, we have faced some problem to fulfill the design of this trolley. And next is this semi-auto lifter trolley is help user to do their work without having problem due to the heavy loading, and it will also help to reduce pain in some part of body such as waist, back, and feet, and another part of body. Lastly is the mechanical system will help the movement of lifter to carry load easily with using the motor to move the steel cable, battery, exhaust system, and switch as start and pause button is efficient for this mechanical system of this trolley. Next, this is our reference. We get information for this reference, and then I will continue to demo presentation.
Now we will explain about the demonstration for our project to lift the weight of the trolley. So this is our project that we have fabricated based on the parts. As you can see, we already repainted the part of the project. So this is the major part of the project, which is the motor, power wiper motor, and gear system, 2 gearing, and the chain, motor chain, together with another pulley concept and a shaft bearing that we have mentioned earlier. Then upper part, this is the cable that we have used, steel cable, and this is another pulley to lift the part. This is the main part of the switching area. To switch, it's an electrical part where we have to lift the motor from the weight from downwards to up, and this is the wiring that we have set it up together with the power supply of battery, a 12 power supply. Then this is the front part of the semi-auto lifter trolley. So you can see this is the rail to lift the load from down to up. Two area of rail together with another. This is the main shaft, the platform shaft. This is the platform. This shaft will be running on the rail towards the required height as we on the power for the lifting side. So this is the major main part of the trolley. So another thing is that we can is to lift the trolley and using the tires to move to another area and put it down to lift it back again as usual. So now we will show the step to lift the weight. So this is the switching area. So from this is first we will show without load to carry up the platform from downwards to up. So to start. This is the first step to lift the trolley, and then the downward movement is this movement of the system. So as you can see, we have shown without the weight to carry up the platform to up and towards downwards. So this is the basic movement of our project. So now we will show putting a load weight of 15.5 kg, which we okay. So now we will show we are using a fire extinguisher to lift the weight of the project. Now I will show just the start button. This is the maximum height of 1 meter that we have stated in our project. So as you can see, the weight is lifted from downwards with the load and towards the up, and then now we will show from going move the trolley to another area. So this is the way to, as we stated in our objective and scope, for us to lift the weight and to transport to another area of a higher height. So this is the way to lift the height, and we can also from the height we can take it back to the platform from, for instance, like this, and pull it back so the thing will not drop. Drag it to another place of area and lifting it back down. Push the sign on. So this is our demo for our project for semi-auto lifted trolley. So as you can see from this demo, it is very useful for small storage or grocery store usage. So by this, the weight of the burden of human to carry, or the weight to carry multiple times to load and unload from a lorry or table or platform cabinet will reduce. So it is very feasible to use this project in a small store and grocery store as well. So thank you very much from our group.